I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your phone is unlocked and you know where Settings is. Once done, open Settings and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications to list installed apps. Next, find and select the app that needs permission changes. This directs you to its app info screen. You do this first so you operate inside Android's permission model rather than guessing. Make sure to note whether the app is a system app or downloaded, because that affects available toggles, and whether you see an additional permissions entry. Now tap Permissions on the app page to see a categorized list of allowed and denied access. You will toggle camera, microphone, location, storage, etc., depending on what the app requests. When possible, choose least privilege options like Allow only while using the app or Ask every time to reduce background access. If a permission is grayed out, that often means a system restriction or device policy. In that case, check device, admin, or profile settings before changing anything further. Finish by reviewing special app access for more advanced permissions like install unknown apps or battery optimization exceptions. These live in Settings Special App Access. If you want to revert many choices, reset app preferences to restore default permissions without erasing app data. If changes don't take effect, force stop the app, clear its cache, and try again. If still broken, reinstall the app. One troubleshooting tip: if permission requests still fail, check a work profile or device policy manager, which can block changes globally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.